Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Mitsubishi Outlander windscreen wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades and a soft cloth. It's crucial to have the correct size blades for your specific Outlander model to ensure proper fit and function. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the ignition completely. This preparation ensures safety and makes the replacement process smooth and efficient. To remove the front wiper blades, gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks securely in its upright position. Be careful not to let the arm snap back. Next, find the small release tab or button on the wiper blade connector. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm's hook. Repeat this process for the other front wiper.
If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: just like clear wipers improve your view, the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring clear sound and smart assistance to your space. It's a fantastic addition to any room. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for installation, take your new wiper blade and slide it onto the wiper arm's hook. Push it firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once attached, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield. Double-check both new front wiper blades to ensure they are firmly attached and properly seated before use. Replacing the rear wiper blade is also straightforward. Gently lift the rear wiper arm just enough to access the blade. Often, you'll need to twist the old blade slightly to release it from its mounting point on the arm. Once removed, align the new rear wiper blade with the arm's connector and push it on until it securely locks into position. Carefully lower the arm back onto the window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.